Would you, Pankaj, take an award from an organization that is linked to the CIA? My question is, at a time of national interest, at this time, I'm so angry with Bollywood because Bollywood pretended कि Operation Sindoor हो ही नहीं रहा है. I'm so upset and angry with Bollywood. किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला, कुछ नहीं बोला. But at least Bollywood did not go anti. This YouTuber brigade went anti.
To say, नहीं पाकिस्तानी आर्टिस्ट को इंडिया में काम करना चाहिए. This is what Sushmita Sen said when she was asked to condemn Pahalgam terror attack. Shame on the likes of Sushmita Sen. Shame on the likes of Amir Khan. Shame on the likes of Shah Rukh Khan. Shame on the likes of Salman Khan. And shame on all those Bollywoodias who do not have the guts, the temerity and the audacity to call out the bluff of an Amir Khan, to call out the bluff of a Shah Rukh Khan, to call out the bluff of a Salman Khan, to call out the bluff of an Alia Bhatt, to call out the bluff of a Saif Ali Khan. These guys tweeted in favor of Gaza.
But you guys only keep supporting them and promoting them and putting them on pedestals.
You will lament, Sanju will lament each and every one, but will not answer on Dhruv Saxena and Devendra Singh. It is very simple.
What about
Okay, Pankaj is on the debate. Pankaj, we are going to take calls. Pankaj, and then Tausif. Pankaj and Tausif. Pankaj.
Did he speak? What about Amitabh Bachchan? Did he speak? कुछ दिन तो गुजारी है गुजरात में. See, it is absolutely clear that this particular YouTuber was playing in the hands of Pakistan, and she must face the consequences. I'm sure our government must have also found out that from which person she has been getting sensitive information that she has been passing on to his Pakistani handlers. All this must come out, but you can't call all of them rubbish YouTubers. Regulating digital media is a good idea, because I also feel that many YouTube news channels are runs for hidden hunters. But what about so-called mainstream media, which is crossing all the boundaries, ignoring all the ethics of journalism and abusing India's opposition for last 1 decade? Calling them Pakistani agents, Chinese agents, and whatnot. Why this liberty to you that you can run fake narratives every evening? Why should you be allowed to make such
One minute,
highly...
you are reading from the screen. The question is 5 points tonight. There is a Pankaj, there is a simple solution. There is a simple solution in the interest of transparency that I'm seeking.